Hey guys, it's me, Miss Norris, and today I'd like to share a fun read aloud with you of the story Kitten and the Night Watchman. The story Kitten and the Night Watchman was written in 2018 by John Sullivan and is illustrated by Taeeun Yoo, and it tells the story of an unlikely friendship between a night watchman and a kitten. If you're ready to hear the story, I'm ready to share it with you. Here we go. Kitten and the Night Watchman. The night watchman hugs his wife and children. He's getting ready to go to work. He's saying goodbye to his family and drives to work. So you can see he's driving to work as the sun is coming down. Every hour he makes his rounds alone. So as the sun continues to go down, the night watchman takes a look around. He makes his rounds by himself. He checks the doors. He checks the workshop. So make sure everything is locked up, that there's nothing strange going on in the workshop. He walks past the vehicles in need of repair. He surprises a killdeer. Kitty, kitty, kitty. So he's outside now and he's checking out where there's vehicles that need to get fixed. And he ends up scaring a bird, a killdeer. Stars twinkle, the full moon shines like an old friend. He thinks of his boy and girl safe and asleep at home. Meow! Back again, he asks. So the night watchman is taking a break and thinking about his children. And then he hears a little meow. And he doesn't say, "Whoa, who are you?" He says, "Oh, back again," which means that this kitten has come here before. Garbage trucks line up like circus elephants. Can you see that their little their little cranes are up, and in their shadow they look like circus elephants in a line. And the watchman is shaking hands with the kitten. An excavator bows like a strange giraffe. A backhoe rises like a giant insect. So we can see that the night watchman is seeing all these different machines, and in their shadows, especially, they look like a strange giraffe and a giant insect. And you can see the kitten is following the night watchman. A jet glows in the night sky, and all is quiet again. Vroom! And then it's quiet. The night watchman and the kitten watch the jet pass. The night watchman feeds the kitten from his own dinner and settles back into the chair. The kitten tickles his nose with her whiskers. So the night watchman seems like he's a pretty kind man, and he's sharing his dinner with the kitten because she's probably hungry too. And then he picks her up, and her long whiskers tickle his nose. And look at that look on his face and her face. They both seem pretty happy. Each time the night watchman makes another round, the kitten follows. A crane looks like a huge mosquito. A beetle bumps against the yard light. A nighthawk calls out, "Beep, beep, 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 beep." can as he's making his rounds, the kitten continues to follow him, and he sees different bugs and hears more birds calling out, and the moon is out. The night watchman holds the door open. The kitten isn't there. She is nowhere to be seen. Ruff, 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 ruff. A dog barks somewhere near. So the night watchman is getting ready to go on his next rounds. It's probably the next hour. And when he opens the door, the kitten isn't there like she normally is. And then he hears the sound of a dog. Oh, I'll give you one of these. Dun, dun, dun. A car races down the street. Vroom! A rumble, clack, clack. A freight train passes by. So now the city is maybe starting to wake up, and he's hearing different sounds. A car, a train. Still looking for the kitten. The night watchman sits at his desk. He is too worried to read. He catches a moth. It's soft and gentle. He carries it outside. So the night watchman isn't ready for his next round, but he can't concentrate on his reading because he's worried about the kitten. But then he catches this giant moth and decides to take it outside gently. Oh. Where have you been, kitty? So when he takes the moth outside, there's the kitty. And you can tell by the tone of his voice and the way he reacts that the night watchman has been worried about the kitty and is happy to see her again. The moon travels across the sky. The hour hand circles the clock. The night watchman and the kitten work through the night. So now we can see that the sky is starting to get pink. The sun's about to come up. And all through the night watchman and the kitten have been making their rounds. Bird songs sprinkle the air. It's time for the night watchman to drive home. But this time, he is not alone. The sun is coming up, and it says that he drives home, but this time not alone. Who's going with him? Come along, kitty. I know a boy and girl who will want to give you a name. So he knows that his children will really like to have a kitty. And he takes her home and says, I know a boy and a girl who would really like to give you a name. And when he gets home, the entire family is happy to see him and a new kitty. The end. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you really enjoyed this story, Kitten and the Night Watchman. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down at the bottom of the page. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to me. If you're not a subscriber yet, please click that subscribe button down below. And don't forget to click the bell so that you're notified when there's new content. If you enjoy stories about kittens, you're in luck because every Friday in the month of June, I will be having Feelin' Fine Feline Fridays. And there will be a new story about a kitten every Friday this month. I hope to see you all again real soon. Bye-bye.